Do you know that one of the most powerful ways to control blood sugar level isn't supplement or medication or a complicated diet? It's something you can do in 10 minutes, and most people do exactly the opposite. Because here is the shocking part. Research shows that a short walk after meals can reduce blood sugar spike more than a longer walk done at any other time of the day. That means the timing of your workout may matter more than the workout itself. So in this video, I'll show you why this works and why most people don't talk about it, and exactly how to use it to control diabetes naturally. After you eat, your blood sugar level rises. This is normal, but if you have diabetes or insulin resistance, that rise can become a spike. And repeated spikes are what slowly damage blood vessels, nerves, eyes, kidneys, and your heart. Most people eat and then sit. They go back to work, they watch TV, they drive, they lie down, and that may be one of the worst things you can do for your blood sugar. Here is the reason. When your muscles move, they can pull glucose out from your bloodstream and use it for energy. Think of your muscles like giant glucose sponges. And the moment you start walking after a meal, those muscles begin soaking up sugar before it stays elevated in your blood. Studies have found out that even 2 to 10 minutes walking after eating can meaningfully reduce post-meal blood sugar spike. And in some studies, 10 minutes walk after a meal outperformed one 30-minute walk done later in the day. That surprises a lot of people because we are taught that exercise is about intensity. But for blood sugar control, timing may matter just as much as effort. And here is the best part. You do not need to jog. You do not need the gym. You do not need to sweat. A relaxed walk is enough. It can be around your house, down the street, on a treadmill, even pacing indoors counts. For many people, this feels like relief because exercise sounds more overwhelming. But walking for 10 minutes after eating sounds more doable. That tiny habit can make a huge difference between a sharp blood sugar spike and a much flatter glucose curve. So here is the simple protocol. Step 1. Eat your meal. Step 2. Within about 30 minutes, go for a walk. Step 3. Walk for 10 to 15 minutes at an easy to moderate pace. That's it. If you can do this after all 3 meals, that sounds even better. But if you only start with one, make it after your biggest meal. For many people, that's dinner, which is also when blood sugar tends to worsen. Now, this isn't a cure, and it's not a replacement for medication if your doctor has prescribed it, but it may be one of the simplest, most underrated tools for improving blood sugar control because it works with your biology. No hacks, no expensive products, just using your muscle the way your body was designed to. If you have diabetes, pre-diabetes, or you are trying to keep your blood sugar level stable, try this for the next 7 days. Walk 10 minutes after your meals, then watch what happens. Because the most powerful changes in health come from the smallest habits. If you've ever tried this, please let me know in the comment section what the outcome was. Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the gentle thumbs up. This helps this video to reach many people out there. Thank you, and see you in my next video.